With Crreo, you can see your ideas come to life in minutes. Here's how it works in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Describe your idea or provide manual script. If you want Crreo to write it for you, choose Auto Script. Already have a script? Just switch to manual script and paste or type it in. For this video, we'll start with an idea. Next, open Select Style. Under Script, choose Duration and pick how long you want your video to be. Then head over to Audio. Choose a voice you like, and click Hear Sample to listen to it. Once you've found the right voice, go to Video. Under Orientation, choose Horizontal or Vertical, depending on where you plan to share your video. Then pick a visual style that matches your story. And that's Step 1. Click Add Characters, and let's move on. Step 2. Add characters. Characters are optional. If your story needs recurring characters, you can add them here. We cover this in more detail in our character tutorial, so we'll skip it here. Now click Generate Storyboard to move on to the next step. Step 3. Finalize Storyboard. This is where your idea starts to take shape. Crreo maps out the video scene by scene, with the story on one side and the visuals on the other. Give it a quick review, adjust anything you'd like, and when the story feels right, select Generate Assets. Step 4. Review and finalize video assets. Press play to preview the full video and see how it all flows. This is where your idea comes to life. Crreo has created your video clips, voiceover, background music, sound effects, and thumbnail, and brought everything together on the timeline. Want to make a change? Edit any asset directly from the timeline, then select Finalize Video when everything looks right. Step 5. View, download, or share your video online. Once rendering is complete, watch the final video, download it as an MP4, or click Share to copy a link and share it online.
Now it's your turn. Start creating and bring your idea to life with Crreo.